How to install Laravel 11 with npm install jQuery 3 and Bootstrap 5, Sass, and run Vite for fast development. First, open your terminal. In this tutorial I'm using Visual Studio Code to build application. Just type Composer create project Laravel /Laravel, then your desired app name. Then, wait to install. Change directory to your app name. Install npm. And install latest jQuery. Install Bootstrap. And Sass. Under Resources folder, create folder for app Sass. Create file for app Sass. And add Bootstrap Sass. Open the app.js file and remove the default Bootstrap. Then import jQuery. On the window object, attach the jQuery variable to ensure that it is accessible globally. And import bootstrap bundle.min.js. Open the vite.config.js file and include app Sass in the Laravel input array. Also, add alias for resources and jQuery. Run PHP artisan serve. Open your app in the browser. Add the Vite directive to the blade template and include your CSS and JS files compiled by Vite. Open a new terminal and change the directory to your app name. Then npm run dev. Customize the default welcome page. You can also create your own blade template. At first, refresh the window to test if Vite is running correctly. Great! Let's test our installed Bootstrap and create a card using Bootstrap classes. Always save your progress to see the changes. Let us now put our installed jQuery to the test. Before executing any code, create a document-ready event to confirm that the DOM has fully loaded and is ready, to avoid errors caused by attempting to access unloaded items. Let's create a jQuery button click method that appends a new element p tag to the card body. Don't forget to include the attribute type module within the script tag. When using Laravel with Vite, it is recommended that you specify type equals module for your script tags in Blade templates so that the browser treats them as ES modules. Great! Our jQuery is installed and working fine. We will also try to use Bootstrap modal. Well done! Thank you for watching. Follow for more.
Codesaur.